This is the belt sander. The on-off buttons are located under the yellow cover on the left side of the machine. Remember always to wear safety gloves, safety goggles, and a dust mask when you operate this machine. The belt sander has a direction of rotation. You have to always be aware of that direction. Before turning on the machine, make sure to turn on the vacuum. Hold the material that you want to sand steady with both hands. Make it slide on the table and apply force, but not too much. If you want to achieve a round corner, remember the rotation of the belt and turn it slightly against the rotation of the belt. You can press directly the yellow cover to turn off the machine. The belt sander is a tricky machine. You need a lot of practice to understand fully this equipment. This is an Orbital random sander. To operate this machine, you need to be wearing safety goggles, dust mask, and gloves. This is a sanding disc. It goes under the machine like so. The machine is operated by a trigger. There is a handle where you can place the other hand, and there is a small dust bag. To sand a piece of wood, make sure to clamp it against a table. Press the trigger and apply force on the surface of the material that you want to sand. Remember that there is different grains in sandpaper. The bigger the number, the smoother the finish. There is a button next to the trigger that locks the machine on. To turn it off, you have to press again the trigger. This is a handheld belt sander. The handheld belt sander is way more powerful than an orbital random sander. You have to use this machine when you have a lot of material to remove. Remember to wear safety goggles, gloves, and a dust mask when you operate this machine. Remember to clamp the piece of material that you are going to sand. Next to the trigger, there is a locking button that locks the machine on. And always use this machine with both hands.